Good evening guys. Today I am going to show you how to unbox a mobile phone called Samsung Galaxy A10. So this is the new phone that my brother gifted me today. So let's see what we have inside and how to unbox it. Let's go. So guys, as I said, this is the phone that we are going to unbox, and this is the new box. Now we will remove everything and we will see what we have inside. So first of all, as I said, this is Samsung Galaxy A10, and what we have in this Infinity V display, 13 MP rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and then we have slim design. This is 4G late, and then we have like 32 GB memory and 2 GB RAM. So let's see what we got with the phone. So first of all, we'll remove this new box plastic. Just cut with the scissor, take it out, and now we'll see. When you buy the phone, you have to make sure that the seal is not broken. If this seal is broken, then you can there is something, either they opened the phone or it's been there is something. So when you buy a phone from the market, you make sure that this seal is not broken. Okay, as you can see, this is completely sealed. So let's cut it. Okay, cut it. Now we need to open it. Yep. So it's coming. Okay, we have another one on this side. So this is the box here, and now what we got in. So mainly this is the manual and warranty card, and these things, how to read this all will go on there later. And now we have, this is the phone. So this is the main phone we got. It's really this phone is, you see, covered with all the protection and everything. Let's see what we got with this phone. So that then we have a earphone over here with that. This is really a nice original earphone, come with Samsung, and then we have the charger and the adapter. So we got everything with the phone. Now let's see how does the phone look like. So you see here, we just take it out. Like, you have to actually cut it, or this, just tear it from here. Okay, now this is the phone. Okay, and if you want to switch it on, just get a switch over here and then on it. And this this phone, mostly the battery is built in. That's why the battery is already inside. Okay, so that's my Samsung Galaxy 10. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.